If you are looking for a lightweight, easy-to-handle stick vacuum made for your daily cleaning, SunSare X7A can be just the one you are looking for. It comes with handy features like a self-cleaning, anti-tangle roller, adjustable handle, a clear touch display, and a few flexible attachments, all of which make it easier to clean around a busy home, especially if you have pets. But the battery drains faster on max mode, and the pet hair can stick on the dust cup, making it difficult to empty. So in this video, we'll break down the SunSare Cordless Vac across 4 key factors: cleaning performance, ease of use, maintenance, and customer service, so you can see if it's the right fit for your home. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, cleaning performance. SunSare comes with a powerful 550-watt brushless motor that delivers up to 45 kilopascals of suction, making it effective on hard floors, carpets, and even upholstery. On hardwood floors, you'll only need 3 to 4 passes to pick up everything. The vacuum does a great job picking up hair, fine dust, and larger debris from hard floors. It's not the strongest when it comes to thick rugs or lots of pet hair, but it still handles lightly soiled carpets well enough. Whether you have pets, kids, or both, the X7A's suction power holds up nicely for everyday messes. The roller seems to be especially good at handling long hair without tangling. It offers 3 suction modes: Eco, Standard, and Max, easily controlled through the smart LED touch display, so you can adjust the power depending on the surface and how dirty it is. Its filtration system traps up almost all of dust and allergens, while the large 1.5-liter dust cup empties with a single touch, keeping things quick and mess-free. It includes a good set of attachments too: a crevice tool, floor brush, and hair cleaning tool with adjustable handle length, giving you the flexibility to clean not just floors, but also furniture, sofas, stairs, car, and tight corners. Next up, let's head over to ease of use. SunSare Stick Vac weighs about 8 pounds. It's not the lightest vacuum out there and has a decent size, but it's still easy enough to maneuver around, even in multi-level homes, and is manageable for people of all ages. One thing you'll appreciate is that it glides smoothly. No jerky movements, whether on rugs or hardwood floors. Noise-wise, it's somewhere in the middle. It's not the quietest vacuum, but it's also not painfully loud. It gives off a high-pitched sound at around 62 decibels. Being cordless with a detachable battery, it can run up to 60 minutes on Eco mode or about 15 to 20 minutes on Max mode. Charging takes about 4 to 4.5 hours, so if you rely on full power, you'll need to move quickly to get everything done in time. The charger and battery are wall-mountable, but you can also charge the vacuum on the floor if you prefer. One more plus, it can clean most homes on a single charge as long as you use Max mode only when necessary. The vacuum has a self-standing design, so you don't have to lean it against a wall. It stands upright on its own when you take a break or store it away. The smart LED touch display is a nice touch too. It shows power mode, battery life, filter status, and even alerts you if there's a clog. Plus, the LED headlights on the brush roller help you see and clean dirt in dark corners. Now let's evaluate its ease of maintenance. Maintaining the vacuum isn't too much of a hassle either. All the parts, including the filters, are designed to be easy to remove, wash, and reinstall, which helps keep the vacuum performing well over time. The only exception is the dust canister, which can feel a bit fiddly and time-consuming to clean properly. It also comes with a small hair cleaning tool with a hook that helps you detangle hair from the roller. One thing to note is that the dust cup empties with just a push of a button. Pet hair and moist debris can sometimes stick, and you might need to pull them out by hand. Finally, let's talk about warranty and customer support. The SunSare X7A comes with a 2-year warranty that covers manufacturing defects. The company promises to replace faulty parts free of charge. Many customer reviews mention that support is generally responsive, and replacement parts are easy to get, though a few note that the support can sometimes be a little slow to respond. Overall, the SunSare X7A Cordless vacuum cleaner delivers a good balance of power, smart features, and ease of use. It's not perfect. The battery drains faster on Max mode, and the canister could be easier to clean. But for everyday messes, pet hair, and quick cleanups around the house, it does a solid job. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that's lightweight, versatile, and thoughtfully designed, the X7A is definitely worth considering. And if you are still not convinced, check out this video for another honest, in-depth review of a vacuum that might just be the right fit for your home. See you there!